How to swap coins on MEXC global mobile application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to know the steps to swap coins on MEXC, here are the steps to do so. First of all, head over to the mobile application and then log in using your account credentials. Once that is done, you will see a wallet section which is on the bottom right. Tap on it. Once that is done, you will be by default on the overview page. Tap on the spot page next to it. Now from the asset list, ensure you have enough USDT which is required for swapping the coins. Now that you have confirmed it, go to the trade section by tapping on the bottom of the screen and you will be redirected to the spot trading page. Now first of all, you'll have to tap on the drop down arrow at the top in order to select the pair. For example, currently the pair is BTC/USDT. Now that this is done, you can use the search bar to find the coin that you want to swap as well. Now there are two options, buy and sell. To buy coins, you just have to enter the amount of desired coin you want to purchase. Then it will display how much USDT is required for the swap and you can tap on buy button to confirm. Likewise for sell, you can just enter the quantity of desired coin you want to sell and it will show you how much USDT you will receive. Then you just have to tap on sell button to confirm. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.